In this video, we'll be integrating the integral of x power 4 plus 1 divided by x into x squared plus 1. We are in all squared. We are integrating with respect to x. For us to do this, first we have to simplify the numerator. What is the numerator? X power 4 plus 1. You know that from exponents, we can simplify the x power 4 from exponent, when you have x to the power of xy, you can write it as a to the power of x raised to the power of y. So I can write x power 4 to be x squared all squared. 2 times 2 is 4, so nothing changed. Then plus 1, I can write 1 to be 1 squared. Good. Since we agree here, the next thing we are going to use is binomial expansion to expand this particular term. But to do that, we know that when we have a plus b all squared, when we are expanding with binomial expansion, we are having it to be a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay? Where we use a and b to be x squared and do 1. So that if you are trying to get a squared plus b squared, which is exactly what we have here, we have it that that it will be what? That it will be, we have it that a squared plus b squared will be equals to a plus b all squared minus 2ab. That's what we have. But here we have x, our x is serving as a, our 1 is serving as b. So we are going to put it back. So this expansion, expanding this now, will actually be x squared plus 1, okay, minus 2. Our a is now x squared, then our b is 1. If you times by y, we are still getting the same thing. Okay, if you get this, we'll just put it in the integral. So we are having the integral of, instead of writing this now, we are going to use this. So we have it to be x squared plus 1 all squared minus 2x squared over x into x squared plus 1 all squared. We are integrating with respect to x. This is what is needed. Then the next thing we do is that if you look at this very well, we can actually split this fraction, because when you have a minus b over c, that is the same thing as a over c minus b over c. This is used in fractions. So here we can split it where our a is now this, our b is this, and our c is everything in the denominator. So we can now have the integral of x squared plus 1 all squared divided by x into x squared plus 1 all squared minus 2x squared over x into x squared plus 1 all squared. We are integrating with respect to x. So that this will now cancel out this, okay? Then x will cancel to get 1. If you divide this, you have 2x left. We are left with the integral of 1 over x, then minus 2x over x squared plus 1 all squared. We are integrating with respect to x. Okay? So we can now see this as the integral of 1 over x. We are integrating with respect to x. Then minus, let's factor out this 2 integral x over x squared plus 1 all squared. We are integrating with respect to x. Use up to do this. So that we can now say let u be everything in the box, which is x squared plus 1. Then if u is now this, I'm just trying to integrate this part only now. So if u is now this, we are now having the integral of x over u to the second power dx. But we need to integrate with what? We need to integrate this function with respect to what? With u. So we are going, since u is in terms of x, we are going to find the u by differentiating u. So du over 2x from this particular expression. So we are going to take this and put it here. So that means we will be having, still working on this, please. We will be having the integral of x over u squared. Then the x, we've got it to be du over 2x. X will now cancel out x. This will give us the integral of 1 over 2u to the power of 2. Okay, we are integrating with respect to u now. So to integrate this, we will now get the integrating this now. We are now having the integral of 1 over 2, factoring out the half, u to the power of minus 2 du. So integrating a function, we just have to add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So here you can see we are having this particular term now to be equal to u to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, then plus c. That's it. So at this point, you can now see we'll be having 1 over 2 times minus 1 u to the power of minus y. Okay? And that will be minus 1 over 2 times, that will be minus u minus 1. Wait. And this will be putting u back to what it is originally. We'll be having it to be 1 over 2 into x squared plus 1. Then that's it, plus 1. All to the power of 1 still mean the same thing. Okay, that's what we got. Plug it back. We are still having the integral of 1 over x with respect to x, and that's basically the ln of x. So to integrate this function, the answer is now ln of x. Okay, then we factored out minus 2 times minus 1 over 2 of 1 over 2 of x squared plus 1, then plus c, the constant of integration. 2 will cancel out, 2 minus cancel minus. We have it as ln of x plus 1 over x squared plus 1, then plus c. And that's the what? Answer.